Aging increases the likelihood of the onset of age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's, heart disease, and cancer. Aging is not commonly seen as a disease, but as an inoperable, natural process. However, aging has recognizable causes on the molecular level, and many actually argue for its classification as a disease. In my lab with Dr. McCormick and others at the University of New Mexico, we study a protein whose human name is ATF4. ATF4 expression leads to lifespan extension in many of our model organisms. We think that ATF4 induces a process called autophagy. Autophagy is a process the cell undergoes to renew itself by recycling its old components into newer, better functioning components. In many cases, lifespan extension models have been shown to be dependent on autophagy. From what we have found in our model organisms, we think that ATF4 and its link to autophagy may hold the key to understanding aging in lifespan extending models. Let me tell you why. Cells are constantly building proteins. It's similar to baking bread from a set of ingredients. Flour, eggs, yeast, water are all put together and baked in just the right way to result in a loaf of bread. In a cell, the right combination of amino acids, followed by the right amount of processing, results in a functional protein. Let's imagine we were to take away an ingredient and try to bake bread. It's unlikely that I would be able to make an edible loaf. And you may think that it's the same in cells. That is, if we take away protein ingredients, we wouldn't be able to make protein. And for the most part, this is true. However, that's not always the case, and the ATF4 protein paradoxically increases its expression when we take away protein ingredients. Furthermore, laboratory organisms tend to live longer. So this has been a lot of information thus far. Let's bring it all together. We are able to use drugs on our lab organisms to restrict their access to protein ingredients, paradoxically increasing ATF4 protein levels, increasing autophagy, and resulting in an increased lifespan. What organisms have we used to show that this is true? Well, with single-cell yeast at the top right of your screen, tiny roundworms in the middle, and I am currently working with mouse cells. Uncovering this novel link between the ATF4 protein and autophagy will give us a new biochemical perspective and put us one step closer to extending lifespan and delaying age-related diseases in humans. I'm excited to be continuing this research here at UNM. Thank you.